Hello, honey bunnies. Welcome back. It's me, Jenny. How is everyone doing today? My beautiful crafty friends, we are going to be working on a few Christmas projects that I have here. And we're going to be doing some really fun embellishments. I'm a little late on my Christmas series tutorials, but I will do my best to do as much as I can in the next few days, so that we can get some ideas on how to do some fun projects. Okay, my beautiful crafty friends, thank you so much for returning. Thank you so much for subscribing, and thank you so much for your wonderful comments, my friends. Okay, so I want to do something here that I'm trying to kind of figure out. I want to put out more videos in short time so I can kind of maybe catch up a little bit in my series for Christmas. We'll see how it goes. Okay, we're just going to play it by ear, right? So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to be making some really fun embellishments for these goodie bags that I made. I make these goodie bags every year. If you guys follow me and you watch my tutorials, you guys already know I'm very famous for making these little goodie bags. So I made these really fun embellishments to attach to my goodie bags that I'm going to be gifting to my coworkers. And I want to show you guys how we made these really fun, adorable, simple embellishment. These are so cute. So cute. So I am going to show you what I use to create these really fun embellishments. The very first thing that I came across that I had actually a very long time ago are these really gorgeous sparkly stars that I got at Michael's quite a long time ago, but I know they still sell these stars as we speak. And so I'm using these stars as part of my embellishment. I have my star right here. So I am also going to be using, of course, cupcake liners. You guys know me with my cupcake liners. I'm going to use these little mini cupcake liners, and we're going to add them in the front of the gorgeous star. And we're going to also add a really fun little Happy Holidays little tag. Now, my Happy Holidays tag I got from the Dollar Tree, and I got these really fun gift tags that I came across, and I really love how they have here Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays. These little wordings right here was really fun, and I really loved them. So that's really the reason why I grabbed these tags. Okay, so let me show you how I put this together. Let me bring a little bit closer. I hope I don't drop this camera. Okay, so here's the star. Okay, and this is my cupcake liners. If you're new to my channel, welcome. If you're not new to my channel, then you guys already know how to make this, but I'm going to show you because we do have new subscribers. So I'm going to get my cupcake liner, and we're going to fold it in half, and we're going to scrunch it in the center, creating a really fun tiny embellishment. You're going to open it up, and you're going to play around with it. Get the size that you're looking for your little embellishment. All right, and that's literally all we're going to do with the cupcake liner. For the little sign, I'm going to grab one of these really fun gift tags that I have here. You can always use stickers if you don't have you know, gift tags that have wordings on it. You can use stickers, or you can create your own, right? If you have a nice handwriting, you can probably create your own. I don't have a nice handwriting, so, but some people do. All right, I'm using one of these like fun little scissors that are like shaped, and I'm basically just gonna chop off the Merry Christmas so that I can use it for my embellishment. See, that's literally all I did. You can always save this for maybe like another project, maybe some embellishments you want to make. All right, so what we're going to do is we're going to hot glue the Merry Christmas right in between the star, place it wherever you want, right? It doesn't have to be there. I'm going to place mine right here. I'm going to add hot glue, and I'm going to glue down my little Merry Christmas sign. All right, just like that. And then I'm going to add my cupcake liner in the center of my star. I don't want to cover the Merry Christmas, so be careful that you don't cover it, okay? So I'm going to add it right there in the center, and then I'm going to squish it and try to create it a little bit smaller so that my little Merry Christmas does not get covered. So you're just going to squish it in the center. Gather it like together. Okay. And that's what you're going to get. For the beautiful little Santa, oh my God, I love these awesome stickers. I got these stickers at Michael's a very, very long time ago. I will show you what they look like because I already used half of what I have here. I have tons of stickers, guys. Tons of stickers in here that I've been having for such a long time. I love my stickers so much. Let's see, where are the Santas? I know I had a few of these Santas in here. Oh, here they are. So they look like this, these Santas, okay? I got these, I believe it was like maybe 2 years ago. This year they have really cute ones that have actually the Santa body and the Santa face, which is also really, really cute. I haven't grabbed any because I figure I have so many stickers. I mean, these are all partially half of my stickers that I have for Christmas. I have another bucket on my left side. So I don't really need other stickers, but I do like the ones they have this year. So I'm going to use one of these little gorgeous stickers, and I'm going to add it to the center of the little embellishment. And that's going to create our fun, adorable, very Christmas inspired embellishment. All right. I'm going to add a little bit of hot glue because I don't want it to fall. And I'm just going to place it right in the center. And we just literally created a very fun, adorable little embellishment for our little gifts. Look at that. How simple and adorable is that? I love it. So what I did in the back is I'm going to add a double-sided dimension because I want to add these to the goodie bags. So I have here these dimensions that I get at the Dollar Tree. I'm going to add it right in this back. And then I'm going to grab my goodie bags that I have here that I have to finish. And I'm basically going to add this right in the little corner right here of the goodie bag. Gonna add a little bit of hot glue, not too much, just a little bit. And I'm just going to glue this down right in this corner right here. And there you have it. And that is how we create this really fun, adorable little embellishment. On the back of my little goodie bag, I'm going to add some washi tape so I can seal my goodie bag. And this is what I'm going to be gifting my co-workers. If you guys want to know what is inside the goodie bag, I will let you know on my next tutorial. Because on the next tutorial, we're going to be making some fun little snacks to give away with the goodie bags. So we'll do that on the next tutorial, all right? But for the moment, this is how these really fun, adorable little tags look like, all right? These are just so fun. You can make them as tags. You can make them as embellishments. They're just so adorable. You can even add them to a front of a card. That would be really fun to add to a card. Really, really fun. All right, my loves? Yay! Okay, I hope that you enjoy watching this really short tutorial. Make sure you thumbs up, guys. Make sure you subscribe. I love you all. I will see you on my next tutorial.